Hi guys, for you that don't know me, I'm Crystal. In my real life, I'm a trauma neuro ICU nurse. I see the worst motorcycle crashes there are. And you know what? I still get out and ride my Sportster, okay? I take off and I need wind therapy and I go. You just got to be careful. I record stuff that I do in hopes to encourage you to go. I make motorcycle vlogs, I make camping vlogs, and I throw a few other kind of cookie stuff into it too, like my chickens. So come along with me and live your life, and I hope to encourage you. I'm not your typical young rider. I'm older and I'm not dead yet. So I encourage everybody, get out and go. You never know when. And also, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks. We'll see ya.